Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the parallel operation of a transformer. For a parallel operation of transformer, their primary and secondary winding connected in parallel. If we are talking about parallel operation of transformer, then we have two or more transformer which secondary is connected to each transformer. This connection may require some essential condition. They must follow that one. If we are not follow the condition of parallel operation, then our distribution transformer may be damaged, short circuited, large circulating current flowing through the winding. Due to the large circulating current flowing through the winding may be damaged. For this reason, we have to take some conditions, some initial condition for a parallel operation. First of all, we have to take same polarity of each transformer which connected to parallel operation. That means if we are not connected to proper polarity, then wrong polarity will causes large circulating current flow through the winding of transformer that may damage the winding of the transformer. Second, the voltage ratio of transformer must be same. If we have two or more transformer that we connect in parallel operation, we must see the voltage ratio of each transformer must be same. Unequal voltage ratio will cause the flow of undesired circulating current. If voltage ratio is not same, then undesired circulating current flowing through the windings causes may damage to our transformer winding. They must taken in consideration. Next, per unit impedance of transformer based on its own kVA rating must be same. Equivalent leakage impedance in a ohmic should be inversely proportional to their respective kVA rating. It's also follow this condition. And finally, the ratio of equivalent leakage reactance to equivalent resistance should be same for all transformers. That means ki power factor of the all transformers should be same. If we are not doing so, then there are many problem arises in our transformer. So these are essential conditions which taken into consideration during parallel operation of two or more transformer. And again, repeating essential conditions. First is voltage polarity should be same, voltage ratios should be same, per unit impedance based on their own kVA rating must be same, ratio of equivalent leakage reactance to equivalent resistance must be same. That means power factor of each transformer must be same. These are the conditions which we are follow during the parallel operation of transformer.